Alright, so we're gonna cook using our Esbit pocket stove. So what we're gonna do is use one of these blocks, Esbit steel squares, and they just punch out. Take it, put it in the pocket stove like that. Light it, and it does take sometimes about 30 seconds to burn off the film and actually ignite. Okay, so we have the block lit. We're gonna put the pot on top. So like I said, it can be hard to light using this thing, but I do prefer this over matches because it's infinitely rechargeable. So we have our Esbit fuel block lit. And you can see now that is burning nicely. So keep an eye on that water and just let it burn all the way. That should get it as hot as it's going to get, and then we'll add it to the 2 bags of Mountain House. Obviously the higher elevation, the longer it takes to light or to get boiling, but in about 10 minutes we should be good.
Pretty hot. Pretty damn close.
Take out the oxygen packet.
Close it up.
Stir it.
Alright, just to close it. Close it. And wait. Then you stir it.
You close it first, then you stir it? I don't think that's how
open it, you stir it, then you close it again.
Yes, see? Carefully on that. Stir carefully and close zipper. Wait 5 minutes, stir again, and reseal. 5 minutes. 6:45. We will open it, stir it again.
Okay, do that one.
Eat! No, you do not eat. Don't eat that. Okay, eat this. Don't eat this. Do not eat. Not do eat. Make sure you start from the bottom as well. Alright, and time for the taste test. It's our first Mountain House pantry. Yeah. And she likes to hate everything, so if she likes it, see, she hates me. Yep. That's her sign of approval, I think. Only 1 middle finger, not 2. 2 is bad, 1 is just status quo. And make sure to have lots of hot sauce. Sriracha on everything. Backup sriracha.
Everything only tastes like sriracha.
Yeah, the food is just a sriracha holder. So, for sriracha.
I don't put sriracha in yet. I don't know. Want to try this one?
Yeah.